Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Anil Jain, the MD of Jain Irrigation, joins on the phone line to talk about that. Mr. Jain, good morning. Thanks for joining us. Tell us a little bit about this order and what does this do to the MI's business? What kind of growth do you foresee over the next few quarters?
We are expecting very strong growth in the business. In terms of this order, as a country, earlier when irrigation was done, people will build dam and then canals and, the water use efficiency productivity was not there. In these new projects, you are ensuring water use productivity. You are also water conservation and agriculture productivity, all three. So this is one unique project, very large size of it. It's about almost 237,000 acres with more than 60 to 70,000 farmers. So we are expected to complete the project in 2 to 3 years. But it would also give us access to create more market for our retail business, that is drip irrigation. And like this, there are more projects in pipeline. They are going under bid either in MP or Maharashtra. There was a news day before yesterday that central government had approved 13,500 crore rupees of projects in Maharashtra also for the irrigation side, which would come now in next few months. So we are seeing this kind of a very intense activity in the irrigation sector across different parts of India, partly with all the things central government is doing, but also the state level. So we expect overall irrigation business to grow considerably, not only this year. With this kind of orders in hand, I think in next few years we can roll out at very high level of growth rate.
Okay, which are the other states which are likely to open up bidding for such orders? What is the rough size of these? You spoke about Maharashtra, but if you could give us, the likely trajectory of order wins for Jain Irrigation.
These are competitive tenders, so one cannot really forecast what will happen. But knowing what the type of work we have done before and these type of integrated irrigation projects, we see more business coming up in MP. We are seeing business, of course, in Maharashtra. We see some additional business to come in Andhra Pradesh. We are seeing opening up of opportunities in UP, Bihar, as well as Orissa. Now, traditionally, drip irrigation or these kind of intense irrigation projects have been more in western and southern parts of India. But we are seeing now northern states, eastern states also opening up. And that's why I feel not only that we'll do more business in our traditional states where we have been strong, but these newer states like MP, Chhattisgarh, or even UP, Bihar, maybe Orissa. So, and the numbers, the total likely projects to come up over next 2 to 3 years are going to be 60 to 80,000 crores. And even if we get very small part of these, it would ensure that our irrigation business, and which is most profitable business, will maintain a growth rate on a higher base of somewhere between 20 and 30%. When we started the year, we talked about that irrigation division will grow 20%. But as we sit now, with the developments have been there since then till now, I feel confident that this year itself we would grow more than 30%. How much more, one has to wait and see, but at least 30% growth will be there. So this is quite positive news that finally after a lull of last few years, growth momentum is back and it would be sustainable.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for joining us. So 30% growth is what they see in the MIS business and lots of projects getting approved. Almost 14,000 crores of projects approved from Maharashtra government alone.